Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So let me just open up the game and show you guys that it actually works. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So I do have to watch an ad and read an article first, but it is super cool, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. So let me just go ahead and do this right here. As you can see, just so you guys can see. But yeah, this is super cool. And it actually works, guys. So you have got to try this out. It is crazy, guys. If you want to have the fully working Delta Executor, you got to get and try this. So let me just go ahead and do this right here. As you can see. All right. So anyway, guys, now it should work. So I'm going to join a game just to show you guys that this actually works. So let's just hop into a game just so you guys can see. All right. And we're going to see what happens. All right, so it's loading up right now. And as you can see, we have the fully working menu. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it in this video. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, guys, it fully works. So this is super cool. So as you can see, guys, there it is. So let's get straight into the guide, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it onto your device. So yeah, this is super cool. So yeah, this is actually working. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to get it for your device. So there's no jailbreak needed or anything like that. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the website scriptsgod.com. So let me just go ahead and type this in right here. So this is the website, guys, where we're going to get the fully working thing. So let's just wait. So now we're on the website, guys. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and press on it. So let me just find it up here. So I'm going to press Delta Executor and wait for it to load. So now it's going to ask me for my Roblox username, so I just need to type that in. So let me just do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter it. Press continue. And now press yes connect. It's going to search the database, make sure I'm a real player. So now I'm going to go ahead and press continue, choose the script I want. So let's just go ahead and do this. Now we're just going to wait. So the last thing we have to do is the verification, guys. We just have to download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and press verify now. It's going to bring me the list of apps, and all I have to do is download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and I'm going to be good to go. So as you can see, we have all the apps here. So for the first app, I'm going to go ahead and do Evertail. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So I'm going to do Travel Town as the other one. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So now I'm going to go to the home screen, just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the Evertail's done, so I'm just going to run it and do some basic interactions. You know, this one's just a game. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. So let me just do that right here. Alright, so I'm just running this. Pretty simple. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. So yeah, I'll just run this right here for a little bit more. So you know what, guys, I think we're pretty much done with this one. So let's go ahead and go to the home screen, and we're going to do the other app. So that is the Travel Towns. This one's another game, so I just got to go ahead and run it, you know, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running this. Super simple, guys. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Okay, so let's just run this right here. Just doing some basic interactions, guys, and should be all set. So let's just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running this right here. Shouldn't be very hard, guys, but let's just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running this. Alright, let's just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Okay, so anyway guys, once you're done, you should have Delta Executor on your device, so be sure to try this out. It's super cool. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this actually works, guys. So if you're interested in having Delta Executor on your phone, be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, because it is super cool, guys. And this totally works. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, I mean, just try it out for yourself and get the word out. This is super cool. So yeah, I'm just running this right here just to do that. But yeah, I mean, this actually works, guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out. If you guys need this on your device, I mean, this is actually working. Crazy stuff, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. And it's going to work for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, I haven't had any problems with it at all. But yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is super cool. And it's totally working. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to get it onto your device. But yes, it's super cool, guys. So totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super awesome. And it totally updated. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. If you like this stuff, peace out.